All right, super excited. We are getting energized. And why are we getting energized? We're going to the Fit Expo. It's at the LA Convention Center. It was kind of like a spontaneous thing. I saw it in I was going through my emails today and I was like, oh my God, it's this weekend. So we were gonna work, but I was
we went to the gym.
But exactly. We were gonna work, but we decided we can't be going to the Fit Expo and not go to the gym.
I mean, we go to the gym. But we don't need to go before going to the gym. But we went before going.
Right. And so we're gonna go to the Fit Expo. We're gonna see what's up. It's gonna be really interesting. It's been like freaking 2 years since they had their expo, so it's gonna be cool to see their debut. And I brought
gonna be like a lot of like energy there, I think, because like people are super excited. You know, like I just did the interior design thing, and that was the first one in 2 years as well. So like I think a lot of companies are like
they're ready, they're ripe and ready,
you know, and like the energy is like different. So I think that's I'm excited to see that.
My new gym, guys, my new gym. This is the high mat. Speaking of fitness, you got a tour, right? Yeah, I got a tour, and I got my invite, and I'm official. Cool, super excited. I love Equinox. No shade on Equinox, but
shade Equinox. Shady Equinox.
But when you
don't worry, I'm a member too.
We're both members, so we could speak of it. But when you go in there, guys, I got the tour, and
it's like a club, right?
I mean, it's 5 stories. Yes, it's a social club, it's a restaurant, it's a pool. And just to give you like a little, set the tone for you, you know, the little, you know, when you the equipment, like how the padding is like black standard at Equinox or any gym, the padding on all the equipment is ostrich gold. Like think Versace went and made the equipment.
Sounds like actually like Liberace.
It's gaudy in there. It really does, Jess.
Like Liberace. I need a tour.
Marble walls, like, I mean, I think it's hard to explain because it's unlike any gym. Like, I don't really have the closest reference is John Reed downtown, but I don't even like saying that because it's a whole,
Mr. Charles.
It's different.
Charlie.
Oh my God, Mr. Charlie! See, this is what we love about living in LA.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pop up. Turn that frown upside down, they said.
Turn that frown upside down, except on a Sunday when we went and it was closed.
And we had a frown.
We had a frown. Oh, by the way, I don't even know if Jesse knows. If you want to see more of Jesse, he's in my other vlog. Wow, God, what did I even call it?
What vlog?
Did you see it? We visited Restoration Hardware. Oh my God, I don't even remember what I called it.
We got kicked out?
Yeah. I have a little clip of you saying that. It was a little car ride afterwards. But anyways, oh yeah, also wanted to mention I brought Chanel because we'll see what it's really about. It could really mean 1, 2, 3 booths, but they have a little pet health little situation. So I brought my fit child, little Chanel. She's 11, gonna be 12 in September. But anyways, all right, we will see you at the expo. All right, we are here. We are at the convention center. Is this on Figueroa Street? Oh, it is, there it is. I just think that's special because I'm with Jesse Figueroa.
My
street.
$25.
Oh my God, you guys are killing us.
Raping us.
Left and right. Left and right. Oh
taking
my
our money.
God.
This is as much as the ticket.
And they tricked me. Oh, $30. It's cheaper than the venue processing. I'll talk about you.
Hello. We have to pay now? That's unusual.
Well, for $25, it better not be that far. All right, so we just arrived. Also wanted to note, this is Jesse's first Fit Expo. It better be a good one because it's the debut after we've been on lockdown.
Maybe I can find a boyfriend here.
Maybe we could find a boyfriend here. All right,
we're gonna find out how to get inside.
Oh shoot, did I? Oh shoot, I am so sorry. I left my phone. At least I remembered now. Oh, Going back. See you guys later. All right, we are going up. It's so funny, I have to move the camera all the way.
That's
I
dark.
can't see, it's dark. And we're going up. All right. I know, it's so bright. Maybe because I'm always filming inside. Whoa.
Oh no, we need advance first.
All right. All right, Fit Expo, we're here. And since we were prepared, we got our advance tickets. Here we go. All right, we've entered. We have entered. All right, we're like, where do we start? There's so much going on. We're gonna go to the 800 row and then we'll see what we find. Look, it's bustling. It's bustling. It's exciting. You want energy drinks, Jess? There's energy drink.
Let's do it. My friend.
Keto coaster. What happened, hot dog? What happened, keto hot dog? Check it out. All right, we've got Brad here. Brad, all right. Hey, Brad. Woohoo! Whoa, this is a line to see Brad.
What? Oh my god.
See that guy.
Oh god.
All right, we got cops. We got competitors.
So what are they doing? Oh, they're going deadlift.
Oh, heavy. Oh, I think this is powerlifting.
Or powerlifting.
Oh my god, what is she lifting? Getting our bags so that we could get a whole bunch of samples.
These guys are going for the goal. They want the $10,000.
10,000.
Oh, how we doing, Jackie?
Oh, he ready. Oh, he's ready. Oh, okay, that was Jesse. You called it. Whoa! Whoa! Chanel, look! Chanel, look! Oh, they're smart. Yeah, I know.
And then the Queensland dealer.
Oh, God. Chanel, come here.
Go back.
All right, there's a dog booth for Chanel. I'll let it go first. All right, Chanel, can she try that?
Yeah, she's welcome to it if she
Go
will.
try it. Go try it.
Some will, some won't.
I know. I feel like she's gonna pee. Oh my God, no.
Oh my God, no. They're, unless it's their bowl, but some will.
Yeah, you like it? You like it? You like it? She licked it. All right. Over.
I got the sauce. I'm about all the way, harder than Randy Moss. Niggas are getting moss. Look at my pockets, my God. Let's go, Michael. Hey! What you got, Jason? Tell me what's the cost. Now you looking lost. Now you looking both ways. Looking at the swag and just have the pause. I don't got a flock. Make nervous. She got going. Like a chicken. But she ain't Persian. Now it's time to riot. Let's go. Hey! So many tries to fuck with me. And if you die before you hit wait, back to the topic. No! Tell me what's the favorite so comment. Got your main girl kissing in my comments. It was hysterical. You sound terrible. I have the chemicals. Turn you vegetable. Why are you cynical? You're a minuscule train. You're a minerals.
30 seconds.
I'm terrestrial. Fuck a telephone. Need a telescope. Planets and generals. Intellectual. I mean, your symptoms are over. I never know. Cock at my steez. Stuck it! Pedigree, in the fleas. Exist if your face was your peas. I got my way. Breakdance. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and oh my God. Make some noise! The more noise you make, the crazier these triggers are gonna go. 90 seconds on the clock. Let's get this battle going. Seattle! Bang!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! The speed. Bring it back a little bit. Oh! Oh my God! No, California. Hey! Hey! 2 kicks in there. 1, 2. Let's go, Seattle. Oh my God. Oh! 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Go, Joron. The greatest in y'all selling all these songs from the list till I made it because time. We're in sudden death right now. Oh my God! Team Seattle will be going first for this 2 versus 2. Showtime. Come get a seat. Come get a seat. All right, at least 3 of you had pre-workout today. Watch him. Ladies, if your man can't do this, break up with him.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Jesse! Oh my God! That was impressive! That was impressive.
Here it is. Get your cameras out and press record. Let's go, give us some noise!
Oh! Jesse's in the house! Jesse's in the house! Wow.
We are Strength Project. Thank you for your time.
Time! 2, 1, let's go make some noise! Let's go, Mark. 360 to the V-sit on the high bar. Flowing through. Setting something up. This guy always surprises me. Big pass up the handstand. Woo! Judge 1 scored it 29-28. Judge 2 scores it 29-28. Judge 3 scores it 29-28. And the winner by split decision and the new WCO Lightweight World Champion, Giaco Carrera! This guy has put blood, sweat, and tears into WCO. I can't even count the amount of battles this guy has had. Let's go! Let's go! I haven't seen moves like this since Battle of Wars 3 with Travis Brewer. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Answer back hard. Yo, let's go! Answer back. Let's go, Tony. Tony Puppy, let's go! Reverse muscle up. Easy to a nice.
All right, as usual, I have filled both my sample bag and my backpack. As you could tell, that was a successful Fit Expo.
Filled it with what?
A whole lot of goodies. I've got protein drinks, protein waters. I've got all these snacks that could be found at Ralph's. Oh, we got the yogurt thing in there. I'm gonna do a little.
Yogurt. We got snacks. We got chips. We got everything you need.
I'm gonna actually, when we get to Jesse's place, I'm gonna put it all on the table and just
Fit
show
Expo
you guys.
haul.
Fit Expo. Fit Expo sample haul.
Sample haul.
And this was Chanel's first expo, which was really cute because she actually got to watch 2 dog shows. They had these rescues that did a show. It was really impressive. Actually, I'm going to show clips of that. Well, I mean, by this point, you probably watched all the clips. So super exciting. Chanel is so tired. And I've been to several Fit Expo. Well, actually, you know, I've been to several. I want to hear before I even say what I think. It's Jesse's first time.
I'm a virgin.
Yeah, I want to hear the virgin's impression.
As we get on the freeway. It was amazing. It was great.
Is it what you expected?
I don't know. Like, I didn't know what to expect, honestly. Like, actually, there was a lot more competitions than I even anticipated. Like, way more. There was competitions left and right. One side was dogs jumping into a pool. On the other side, it was calisthenics. And then on the right next to that, it was, I don't know, Taekwondo or something.
Muay
Thai.
There was a powerlifting, the tricking.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Jiu-jitsu.
So much going on.
Oh, the hand wrestling, men and women.
Men and women. Hand wrestling. basketball to wheelchair basketball.
Oh my God, Thai ball.
Did you record the wheelchair?
I did.
So yeah, there was that. All sorts of like crazy activities and competitions going on, and so that was cool because I didn't really expect that, you know. But lots of cool little like samples from booths, you know. But
and good. What's your? Do you have a favorite moment? What's your biggest impression?
I don't know. Whoops. We need to get onto the freeway.
Multitask.
I don't know, just seeing the competitions, it was good. Like seeing the competitions, I was telling Michelle earlier, is like it just gets you back into, if you've never done competitions, you don't know the feeling, but you know, like Michelle's done competitions, you know, like the effort that goes into training, the training that goes into wanting to win that medal or the trophy or the ribbon, that title. You know, years may go down the line of you trying and training in order to finally get that title, you know, and so seeing that competition today, like, just really awesome to like shoot. Like I want to like do a competition of some sorts again, of you know, but I don't know what that would be, you know. Like I've done bicycle racing all over the country. I've done horse competitions, Western pleasure. I've done steers, I've done cows, I've done pigs, I've done turkeys. You know, I've done bowling leagues, like, you know, like. Oh my
God!
I mean, actually, I am. I signed up for a new bowling league. I start this Thursday.
Oh my God!
So you know, it's just like a fun competition.
That's cool.
It's not like real, like, you know, you're going for titles.
Right. No, my dad used to do those leagues. But man, it's just like for those who haven't done, like, it's like, for us, we grew up in competitions. For me, whether it was ice skating, whether it was taekwondo, whether it was forms competitions, which was very different than sparring competitions, which was very different than the most recent in my mind was the bodybuilding, which really left a huge impression on me. Like, if you've been competed before, it's like I almost feel like you got to do something, because it's a specific feeling. And although today we didn't even compete, like we watched these guys compete for a world title, I felt like I wanted, like there were emotions, like just I was processing emotions. Like the moment they got called that they won, they dropped to the floor, you saw their faces, they were crying, and you just felt it because you know the hard work. I mean, we saw the hard work.
One guy trained for 2 years and kept losing for 2 years, and he finally won today, you know, and he was so thankful because 2 years of hard work and efforts, you know. And then another guy talked, and how he spoke that it saved his life. He was in and out of jail. His mom passed away. He was on drugs, you know, like
gangs.
He was in a gang, and how calisthenics really saved his life. And he was world champion how many times in a row? I forget. World champion
3 times, and then he went to 16, 17 countries, and now has a best-selling book on Amazon.
Yeah.
Like,
so it's really awesome. It's really great, you know. It shows that you can do anything, and just becoming a better you.
Right. It was so nice to see him use his experiences for fuel, but he was really vulnerable. He said he wanted to give up. He lost his mind when his mom passed away, which was like the only person he had by his side. And to hear his story and how he just put all that energy into one thing and just focus on that. He said 6 to 8 hours a day he would be practicing this, and this isn't dribbling a ball, this isn't swimming. Like, to me, this is like intense. Like, you're flying around. They were doing 3 minutes and they looked like they just ran a freaking marathon. I mean, I was tired for them. I felt it. So like, I gotta tell you, for me, I've been to like 3 Fit Expos, and I never had a compelling experience like this. Literally, my main concentration was how am I gonna fit all my samples in my bag. and then all those times it was like, you know, I was taking pictures with Jeremy Benduia. Like, I literally was, who's there? And like, I took a picture with the cartel the last time. We didn't wait in line. I don't know how got that photo. But like that was my mission last time, and I didn't really appreciate. I don't even think, honestly, I don't think there was this many performers all at once before. Like it was just the bodybuilding. But this one, it's literally, and what's crazy, it's simultaneous. Like you're like, you're like, we watched a lot of things from beginning to end, and I'm really proud of us because I used to just be a passerby and I didn't really feel it. I felt it I mean, to the women's freaking arm wrestling, and then like we watched the show.
Techniques,
oh my god,
you know?
yes.
The techniques of everyone and seeing how they win, and you know.
Right. Like it was really interesting, because another thing is someone might look a certain way and then you're really surprised by their technique. But like, yeah, I feel like really driven by this. Like the competitive, like I'm motivated, which I really like. This surprisingly kind of like impacted me. It wasn't just about these guys, can't wait to show you. And it's like now I'm actually like I'm processing like where am I gonna like pour that into. But yeah, motivated. All right guys, when we get home I'm gonna show you what we got.
Separate video maybe.
Or maybe a separate video. But
Fit Expo haul.
Fit Expo haul. But gotta tell you, out 1 to 5 stars. This is a surprising 5 stars. I honestly thought I thought it would be like all the other times were a 3, but it's really what you make of it. It's where we put our energies. We sat down and watched. We absorbed it, and yeah, I think it was worth. We paid with all the ticket processing,
I got the parking fee was $25.
Oh, just the parking. Yeah, and the freaking and the tickets. Like I've gone there discounted all those times. I actually spent the most this time. It was like $37 with ticket processing and blah 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 if you get it online. But I feel like it was very worth it. It was worth. I feel like I got so much for that. Yeah, 5 stars. 5 stars. How about you, Jess? It was your first time.
I would say like 4.
He gives it a 4. He gives it a 4. I think for me, the reason why I give it such a high, it's because I've been to other ones, and the difference of my perspective of how much more I got from this made me really excited. But yeah, if anyone went to the Fit Expo, also I know they're all around. There's one in San Jose, one in Anaheim. If you guys go, I would love to know your impression, or if you went to the one I went to this weekend, I want to know your impression and what is your favorite. Like for me, I guess it's a calisthenics.
I would say calisthenics.
And it would have been the dog one.
There were so many different types of competitions going on, but like I don't really like kickboxing. I don't like taekwondo. I don't like shih tzu.
He doesn't like shih tzus.
Whatever it's called, I don't know. Like there's just so much going on, and also different types of people doing these.
Right. It surprised me.
That was nice to see. You know, you saw dancers,
refreshing.
You saw people of all body types.
Very diverse in all ways.
Diverse in everything. You know, so that was really nice. But I think, I don't know, calisthenics is like gymnastics. I mean, it basically was gymnastics in a way.
With swag.
With swag, yeah. But you know what they should have had?
What?
Is pole dancing. And not dancing, but pole
that
competition.
Would it like true acrobatics, like
it was like
not twerking, yeah, right,
yeah,
and more acrobatics,
dancing, but like pole acrobatics or whatever. Because I've seen some competitions and holy cow,
really
the guys that I see, like you would never imagine their body type doing these types of pole moves. So that is what I would have liked to see. That would have been a 5 star.
That would have been a 5 star. Maybe next year's a 5 star. And I like how they're thinking out of the box with the whole, you know, they only had 1 booth, but I like how they're thinking out of the
for pets.
Yeah, for the pets. Oh, for pets. They did have the little Pet Pavilion. The show was amazing. The show was amazing, but I wish there was a little more pet focused booths next year. But but Chanel was very well received today. Everyone was very pet friendly. But yeah, stay tuned for my little haul. You're gonna see everything, and please support my channel, like and subscribe. subscribe. Until the next adventure, bye.